Good evening, children. Today we are going to learn some 4 marks question in chapter 4. So, first one is graphical method. 2x minus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. So, I am taking first equation 2x minus y is equal to 5. So, I am transposing 5 to left hand side and y to right hand side. I am getting like this: 2x minus y 5 is equal to y. So I am substituting x is equal to 1, I am getting x, y is equal to minus 3. I am substituting by x is equal to 2, I am getting y is equal to minus 5. So when I am substituting x is equal to 0, I am getting minus 5. When I substitute x is equal to 2, I am getting y is equal to minus 1. So when I substitute x is equal to 3, I am getting y is equal to 1. So this is for equation 1, and the second one 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. I am substituting like this. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. I am transposing 2y to right hand side like this. So I am substituting 3. Why? Because when you are subtracting 11 minus 9, the numerator value is divisible by denominator, then only you get the correct value. So that I am taking 3 as x value and I am taking 1 as x value. I am getting 1 and 4 corresponding values. So I am taking for graph on x-axis scale 1 cm is equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. The graph is like this. Therefore the solution set xy is equal to 3, 1. The second question, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So I am taking 1 by root x is equal to a, 1 by root y is equal to b, and the equations reduces like this: 2a plus 3b is equal to 2, 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. I am equating quotients of a. So I am multiplying 2 with the first equation. I am getting like this: 4a plus 6b is equal to 4. So 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So a quotient values can be cancelled. I am getting b is equal to 1 by 3. So putting b is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1, I will get a is equal to 1 by 2. But a is equal to 1 by root x. We will get a is equal to 1 by 2. Both can be equated once. So we will get, after cross multiplying, 2 is equal to root x. Squaring on both sides, we will get 2 square is equal to x. X is equal to 4. So b is equal to 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. After cross multiplying, b is equal to root y. Squaring on both sides, we will get 3 square is equal to y. Y is equal to 9. Therefore, the solution set like this: 4, 9. Next model is substitution method. So we will getting 2x minus y is equal to 2, x plus 3y is equal to 15. So I am taking 2x minus y is equal to 2. So I am transposing 2 to left hand side and y to 2 to left hand side and y to right hand side. I am getting the value y like this. I am substituting y in equation 2. So I am getting x is equal to 3 and I am putting x value in equation 1. I am getting y is equal to 4. Therefore the solution set x comma y is equal to 3, 4. And the next model is elimination method. So we need to eliminate either x value or y value. So I am taking equation 1. So I am getting like this. I mean equating quotients of y. So we can equate either quotients of y or either quotients of x. Whichever we want, we can take as your wish. So I am multiplying equation 1 is 3. I am multiplying equation with 2 with 2. I am getting y coordinates like this. I am cancelling. So I will get 9 plus 4 So we'll get 9 minus 4, we'll get 5x. 33 minus 8, I'm getting 25. X is equal to 5. I'm substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. I'll get y is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is 5 comma minus 2. And next one, a fraction becomes 4 by 5. If the 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, and if 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator like this, what is the fraction? So we don't know the actual numerator denominator. I am taking x and y. Let us assume that numerator and denominator. So when you are adding plus 1 to the both numerator and denominator, it is equals to 4 by 5. When you are subtracting minus 5 from both numerator and denominator, which is equals to 1 by 2. So after cross multiplying, we will get the equation, first equation 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. So we will get second equation 2x minus y is equal to 5. So solving 1 and 2, we will get y value. I am solving equation 1, I am multiplying equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 with 5. So I am cancelling x values. So minus 3y is equal to minus 27. Cancelling 3 9 times. Y is equal to 9. So I am substituting y is equal to 9 in equation 1 for x value. So the fraction is x by y is equal to 7 by 9. In a class 10th, if 3 students sits on a bench, 1 student will be remaining. If 4 students sits on a bench, 1 bench will remaining. Find the number of benches, find the number of students, like this the question. So we don't know the number of benches, we don't know the number of students. I am taking x and y for assumption. So by problem, y is equal to 3x plus 1. Why? Because 1 student will be left. We'll get the equation like this, 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. Here y is equal to 4 into x minus 1. Why? Because 1 bench is left. So in one bench I can accommodate 4 students. So that I am multiplying 4 into x minus 1. I am getting 4x minus y is equal to 4. So in that equations I am substituting x is equal to 0, 1. I am getting y values 1 and 4. I am substituting 0 and 1. I am getting minus 4 and 0. So I am plotting the values like this. By taking the scale on x-axis 1 cm is equal to 1 unit and y-axis 1 cm is equal to 2 units. So after substituting or plotting the values, the graph is like this. These graphs are these two lines can intersect at the points 5, 6. So basic condition is we need to verify a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So we are getting c1 by c2 is not equal to the rest of the things. So the lines are parallel, hence no solution. Lines are parallel, no solution when the equation like this. So graphical method means we need to find out the coordinates x comma y comma coordinates like this. We have already discussed this process in the earlier questions. I am getting 0 comma 3, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, minus 1 comma 6. After plotting, we are getting the result like this. These are the parallel lines. They don't intersect at all. In the last one of this session, by x minus 3y is equal to 11, minus 10x plus 6y is equal to 2, minus 22. Comment on the solution. So, take equation 1 and 2. I am comparing the ratios a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So all are equal. We are getting minus 1 by 2. So the lines are consistent. The given linear equations represent coincident planes. Coincident plane means having the lines on the same one upon the another line. So it has infinitely many solutions. So I am taking the x value and when I take x is equal to 1, I got minus 2. When I take x is equal to 4, I got 3. So the points 1 comma minus 2, 4 comma 3. I am taking x is equal to minus 2. I am getting minus 2 comma minus 7. I am taking x is equal to 4. I am getting y is equal to 3. So I am taking scale as x is equal to 1 centimeter, y is equal to 1 centimeter. So the plotting is like this. So we have 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 3 as a common point. I am representing here, and 1 comma minus 2 I am representing here, and again we have minus 2 comma 7 which can be represented like this. Minus 2 comma 7 will get the very below. So two lines coincident each other. That means one line lies on another line. So hope you enjoy the video. So children, if you have any doubts, please WhatsApp to my WhatsApp number 0662 and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please classroom. If you have any comments, you can make a comment on my YouTube channel and share them to my YouTube channel to friends and relatives and your friends, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you have any doubts, please mention in my comments column. Then I will make a video according to your requirement. I am making these videos according to students' requirements only. I am getting lot of comments, a lot of doubts of different schools students. So children, have a nice day. Hope you enjoy the video. Till the next video, I'll continue the chapter 4 tomorrow again.